To create a Venmo account in Nigeria, you need to understand that Venmo is a US-based peer-to-peer payment service. And as such, it is not directly available in Nigeria. However, you can still create an account using a few workarounds. First, you need to download a virtual private network application on your device, as this will allow you to change your location to the US, which is required to sign up for Venmo. Once you have downloaded the VPN, launch it and select a US server to connect to. Next, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device, and download the Venmo application. If you are unable to find the app, you may need to change your App Store location to the US as well. After downloading the Venmo app, launch it and click on Sign Up. You will be required to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password for your account. You will then be asked to verify your phone number and email address. This is a crucial step, as it helps to secure your account and prevent fraud. To verify your phone number, click on the Send Code button, and a verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code in the required field, and your phone number will be verified. To verify your email address, go to your email inbox and look for an email from Venmo. The email will contain a verification link. Click on the link, and your email address will be verified. After verifying your phone number and email address, you will be asked to add a funding source to your account. This can be a US bank account, credit card, or debit card. If you do not have a US bank account, you can use a prepaid card or a borderless bank account. Once you have added a funding source, you can start using your Venmo account to send and receive money. You can also link your account to your social media profiles, making it easier to find and connect with friends. It is essential to note that using a VPN to create a Venmo account may be against Venmo's terms of service, and as such, you may be taking a risk by doing so. Additionally, you may be required to pay a small fee for transactions, depending on the funding source you use. In conclusion, creating a Venmo account in Nigeria requires some workarounds, including using a VPN and a US-based funding source. While it may be possible to create an account, it is crucial to understand the potential risks and fees involved.